A very good morning, my dear students. I welcome you all in the online English class. Today, I am going to start with a new lesson, adjectives. So, adjectives are describing words. So, an adjective is a word used to add something to the meaning of a noun. So adjectives are describing words, and adjective is a word used to add something to the meaning of a noun. So adjective is a word that describes a noun. They describes a noun or a pronoun such as a person, an animal, a plant, a place, or a thing, and tells us about one of these: shape, size, color, quantity, quality, etc. You can see the example: friendly, tall, furry, etc. So, an adjective modifies or gives more information about a noun or a pronoun. So, all adjectives tells about the quality, quantity, number or order of the noun that it describes. So an adjective is a word which qualifies a noun or a pronoun. An adjective may also come immediately beside the noun it describes. You can see in the example, the heat made the child sleepy. Here child is a noun. So adjective always come immediately beside the noun it describes. An adjective usually comes before the noun it describes or modifies. You can see in the example, this is a huge palace. Here palace is a noun. So an adjective usually comes before the noun it describes or modifies. You can see here, an adjective can also be placed after the verb to be. You can see the example, this place is huge. Here is verb. So an adjective also be placed after the verb to be. Some adjectives are used with countable as well as uncountable nouns. Here you can see the example, I have some dishes. I have some food. Here dishes, I have some dishes. Dishes are countable noun. And I have some food. Food is uncountable noun. So an adjective are used with countable as well as uncountable nouns also. We use adjectives from the size and color groups by keeping the size word first. So we use adjectives from the size and color groups by keeping the size word first. You can see in the examples, she has a big white car. So here big relates with size, white relates with color. So an adjective is used to describe a noun or pronoun. It can tell us many things such as size, color, shape, number, sound, feel, taste, smell, weather, etc. Size relates with small, big, enormous, like that. Color relates with blue, red, green, etc. Shape relates with circular, oval, triangular, square, etc. Number relates with 7, many, hundreds, few, etc. Sound relates with soft, roaring, bubbling, loud, etc. Feel relates with hard, lumpy, smooth, rough, etc. Taste relates with spicy, sour, sweet, bland, etc. Smell relates with enlightening, pleasant, acidic, etc. Weather relates with rainy, windy, sunny, foggy, etc. So these all are relates with adjectives. So today we are going to discuss about types of adjectives. Today we see the types of adjectives here. So, how many types of adjectives? There are 3 types, that is adjectives of quality, adjectives of quantity, and adjectives of number. So, at first we see adjective of quality. Adjective of quality. So, what is the meaning of adjective of quality? A word used to describe or point out the quality of a person, place, or a thing is called an adjective of quality. So, in other words, we can say that it praises the noun and tell the good things about the nouns. So, in other words, we can say that it praises the noun or tells the good things about the nouns. So, adjective of quality, actually adjective of quality relates with what kind. Adjective of quality relates with what kind. So, look at the following sentence, that is relates with adjective of quality. You can see the example. Ram is an intelligent boy. Ram is an intelligent boy. So, here intelligent is an adjective. It is used with a noun boy to describe his quality. So, therefore, intelligent is the adjective of quality. See the other example. Mary has a beautiful doll. Mary has a beautiful doll. So, here beautiful is an adjective. It is used with a noun doll to describe its quality. So, therefore, beautiful is the adjective of quality. See the other example. Twin Tower is a tall building. Twin Tower is a tall building. So, here also you can see tall is an adjective. It is used with a noun building to describe its quality. So, therefore, tall is the adjective of a quality. So, you can see the other examples of that relates with adjective of quality. I have a long hair. Rahul is a fat boy. Shreya is a beautiful girl. Rama has a blue pen. Geeta's grandmother is an old lady. So these all types of examples are relates with adjective of quality. So next is adjective of quantity. Next is adjectives of quantity. So what's the meaning of adjective of quantity? A word with a noun to describe or point out the quantity of a thing is called an adjective of quantity. Or we can define adjective of quantity as adjectives of quantity indicates the amount. It indicates the amount or estimated amount of the noun or pronoun in the sentence. It does not provide information. Adjectives of quantity does not provide information about exact numbers. It tells only the amount of noun in relative or whole numbers. Adjective of quantity relates with how much. Adjective of quantity always relates with how much. Adjective of quantity mostly describes uncountable nouns. Adjectives of quantity mostly describes uncountable nouns. You can see here, see the example. I have some food. Here you can see some is an adjective of quantity, food is uncountable noun. So an adjective used with an uncountable noun is an adjective of quantity. So you can see some examples of adjectives of quantity. Alec has enough courage to face the situation. Alec has enough courage to face the situation. So here enough is an adjective. It is used with a noun courage. Here in this sentence enough is an adjective and it is used with a noun courage to describe its quantity. So therefore enough is the adjective of quantity. You can see some other example. There is some milk in the can. There is some milk in the can. So here you can see some is an adjective. It is used with a noun milk to describe its quantity. So therefore some is the adjective of quantity. You can see one more example. There is a little water in the well. Here little is an adjective. It is used with a noun water to describe its quantity. So therefore little is the adjective of quantity. You can see some more examples that relates with adjective of quantity. You can see the examples. There is much water in the jug. There is little water in the jug, that is almost none. There is a little water in the jug, at least some. There is no water in the jug, that is none or zero quantity. There is some water in the jug, neither much nor less. There is sufficient water in the jug. There is enough water in the jug. So, adjective of quantity always indicates the amount or estimated amount of the noun or pronoun in the sentence. Come to the next, that is adjectives of number. So, what is the meaning of adjectives of number? Adjective of number means a word used with a noun to describe or point out the number of a person, place or thing is called an adjective of number. Or we can say that adjectives of number are the adjectives that are used to depict either the number of nouns or their position or place in a certain order. Means adjectives that are used to depict either the number of nouns or their position or place in a certain order. An adjective used with a countable noun is an adjective of number. You can see in the example, I have some dishes. Here some is an adjective of number and dishes is countable noun. So an adjective used with a countable noun is an adjective of number. You can see some more examples about adjective of number. See the first one. There are many bananas in the basket. In this sentence, many is an adjective. It is used with a noun bananas to describe its number. So, therefore, many is the adjective of number. You can see the other example. I have 3 pencils. So, here in this sentence you can see 3 is an adjective here. It is used with a noun pencils to describe its number. So, therefore, 3 is the adjective of number. So, you can see some more examples that relates with adjective of number. She sang 5 songs on the annual function ceremony. Most girls participate in a knitting competition. You can learn 24 hours a day from this site. There are several things to learn. She has learned something. So children, I am going to stop this lesson adjectives here. I will continue the leftover part in the next class. Thank you and have a great day.